Alright, check it guys, we're here at Chick-fil-A. Gonna try out their spicy deluxe chicken sandwich and a large lemonade. Charles? Alright, thank you. Alright, let's go find some parking. Man, Chick-fil-A takes a long time. I don't understand why there's always a line at Chick-fil-A and In-N-Out Burger. Personally, I think In-N-Out Burger is overhyped. Chick-fil-A, they're good. I could see why there's probably like a line there usually all the time, but In-N-Out, I don't see why there's always a line. All right, we found a spot. Hungry, want to dig into the sandwich. See what it is. Well, first of all, we got the lemonade. Look at that, there's a chicken on it. See how that tastes. Kind of excited for this. I heard they squeeze fresh lemonade. It's not that stuff you buy at the grocery store that's already what, pre-made. This is freshly made at Chick-fil-A. You can taste the freshness of the lemonade, and it's just sweet enough where it's not too sour. It's really good. I recommend that. What else? Let's see. They gave us some napkins, and the price was $10.92. The lemonade was $3.39 for the large, and the spicy deluxe chicken sandwich was $6.79 with tax, $10.92. Well, it comes in a nice looking box with the chicken on it again. Makes sense. Chicken sandwich, right? It's a chicken place, Chick-fil-A. So yeah, spicy deluxe with pepper, jack. It has jack cheese. Well, let's take a look. It has jack cheese, tomato. It's a nice size crispy piece of chicken. It's supposed to come with lettuce, but I asked no lettuce because I don't like having all that lettuce in my sandwich. So let's take a look. That's what it looks like. Looks good. Can't wait to dig into it. It's a decent size, pretty heavy. The bun is nice and soft. You could tell it's buttered. It's a buttered bun, but I could be wrong. That's wonderful. That's good. I didn't see the pickles. There's also pickles on the bottom. That's really good. The chicken is tender, juicy. Maybe that juice. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just juicy. that lemonade. That's awesome. Let's check a question I got on Instagram. Question. Charles, what do you prefer more? What do you prefer more? Pizza or pasta? And why? Okay. That's a good question. What do I like better, pizza or pasta? That's a hard question. I like them both. Let me take a bite real quick. Well, I really like pasta. I just don't like the sourness of the sauce that they usually use. The high-end Italian restaurants or high-end places you go get spaghetti, they tend to use sour spaghetti. To me, I think the best spaghetti I probably ever had, other than my grandma's spaghetti, she makes a good sweet spaghetti, is a fast food chain called Jollibee's. Jollibee spaghetti is amazing. You guys gotta go to Jollibee's and try their spaghetti. The chicken is also great, but they have great spaghetti. Pizza, people are gonna hate me by saying this, but I think Little Caesars has great pizza. Their sauce isn't, like I said, sweet, and their cheese tastes good. Little Caesar has great pizza. Their toppings ain't so fresh, but their sauce and their cheese is good. Round Table's overhyped. Mountain Mike's is alright. It's a hard one. I mean, New York pizza. I love New York pizza because their pizza's greasy, skinny, great pizza, great crust. I would say pizza. I prefer pizza over pasta. New York pizza. New York pizza is #1 that I know so far. I mean, there's a lot of other pizza places, but New York, probably. Got the Super Bowl this Sunday. I'm going with the Philadelphia Eagles over Kansas City. I think Philly's offense is playing great. Their defense is playing great. I just think that they're gonna overtake Kansas City, take the Super Bowl. That's just what I think. It's gonna be a good game. Gonna be watching it with some family and friends. That's about it. All right. From 1 to, I would say 1 to 5 ranking, but let's go 1 to 10 ranking. That's gonna be my ranking for my I guess you could call it mukbang, mukbang, whatever. I would rank this from 1 to 10. Solid 9. Solid 9. 9.5. Solid 9.5. I don't think anything could be a 10, but it's sure damn close enough. Close to it. So 9.5. Lemonade I rank from 1 to 10. 8.5. I recommend it. All right, so peace. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we